Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a minute since I've uploaded any content to this channel, but today I'm going to have a look at this pretty cool phone mount from a company called LISEN. Now this ain't your ordinary phone mount for your car. This is actually an electronic one, and it has an electric vacuum suction, as you see on the box here. Now you can get this on amazon.com.au. So I will leave a link to the LISEN store in the description below, as well as a pinned comment. You can check it out for yourself. So let's get it out of the box. Okay, so first off, we've got a user manual here. And as you can see here, this is not a wireless charger. It is just a phone mount. And it just opens up like that. Okay, so you can read through that. There's also a QR code on this card. If you want to actually scan that, you can watch a video on how to install it to your car, which is fairly simple. I'll show you when I go do that to my vehicle. We've got a USB Type-C charger cable, obviously to charge up the electronic phone mount. And then we've got a little bag here with a couple of wipes. So you've got a wet wipe, which is an alcoholic wipe, as well as a dry one. Now this disc is only used for if you're going to mount your phone holder to a dashboard of your vehicle. Okay, not to your windscreen. You don't need it for your windscreen, but if you're going to put it on your dashboard of your vehicle, you're going to have to use this disc. Now here is the phone mount itself. As you can see, it comes in two parts. We've got the actual suction cup section, and we've got the phone holder itself. Now this can actually fit pretty large phones from iPhone, I believe 12 to 16, and a lot of the Samsung phones as well. Okay, so as you can see, you can adjust it, just push that out and it releases by itself. All right, so that's that section of the phone mount. And then of course we've got the most important bit, which is the actual stand, the mount itself, and the suction cup here. All right, now as you can see here, this button is to release the suction, so you can remove the mount from your dashboard. Okay, got the USB Type-C charger port there, and once you press this in, I don't know if you can hear that, but it's starting to make some noise. So once it hits the surface, this button is pushed in, and then the motor starts working on the mount itself. So I'm going to just take this off, this plastic, and it's starting to vibrate. Now to put these two sections together, as you can see, it's got a ball socket here. We're just going to push that in and then tighten that up. And this mount actually has a 360-degree swivel as well, and you can adjust it both ways. So yeah, you got a lot of different options on how you want your mount to sit. And yeah, this does have a lithium battery inside, and it can last up to 1 month. So that's quite a long time per full charge when you recharge it. So yeah, up to a month they're saying. Now they do state, once this is on your windshield or your dashboard, as your car vibrates when you're traveling along the road, this will continually adjust itself and tighten itself. So it will stay nice and steady on your dashboard, and always will have that suction. Rather than, you know, the cheaper mounts that, you know, just you got a suction cup, then you wet it and put it on your dashboard. Those will get loose if there's a lot of bumps and vibrations as you're driving, and they'll just fall off with the weight of the phone. So that's a plus with this LISEN mount. So anyway, let's put it on my windshield and I'll show you how it works. Hey guys, so as you can see, I'm in my car now. I'm about to mount the LISEN electronic mount in the corner of my windscreen here. So all you do is just push it on. As you can see, it's already mounted by itself, and I can swivel it around. Okay, just open this up. Got my iPhone here, iPhone 13. It's actually adjusting for the weight of the phone, so nice and solid. As I shake it around, it's adjusting as well. And if I loosen the ball cup on the back, we can have it on that angle as well, on landscape mode. Good for your GPS mapping when you're using the navigator on your phone. Now the suction is so strong you can actually open up a car door with it easily. Look at that. You can actually use this on your vehicle if you wanted to use it as a camera mount using your camera phone. I believe they actually show that on the listing itself as well. So yeah, as you can see, once again, I'm yanking on that. I can't release it from the door unless I press the button and it peels off. Yeah guys, I'm actually pretty impressed with this, the way it holds onto the windscreen and continues to adjust itself once there's any shaking, you know, from the car vehicle. I mean, I'm just simulating that by shaking the mount itself, but yeah, I'm pretty impressed with it. So yeah guys, I highly recommend this if you're looking for a phone mount for your car. I'll leave links in the description below to amazon.com.au for the license store, so you can check that out guys. And yeah, I think this is gonna stay in my car now. I mean, this is the first time I've actually used it to make this video, and I'm definitely gonna keep this in my car. So anyway guys, thanks very much for watching. I'd like to thank LISEN also for sending this phone mount out to review and test. And yeah, I really like it. So once again guys, there'll be links in the description. Go check it out for yourself, and I'll catch you on the next video. Have a great day.